Kohenki going? Do you think they saw Columbina? Come on, let's follow them. Wow, here's a pretty little lake if Paimon's ever seen one. Check it out? Why do these rocks look kind of floaty? Whew. There's tons of broken machines in here. And... oh, it's those floating rocks again! Do you think we can push them out of the way? This must be the generator room. You can use the power Columbina just gave you to activate this thing, right? Oh! The device reacted this time! But these things on the ground, they're for transferring energy, right? We gotta figure out a way to get them flowing again!
Calculating celestial orbits. Please select the triangle. Connecting. Target located.
What's going on? Look! There's the Kohenki over there!
Intruder detected. Initiating alert.
It thinks we're intruders! Did that black Kohenki do this? Traveler, watch out! We're being targeted again! Take cover on the left!
The world wishes you well.
Look! She's stuck behind the door! Where are we now? That Kohenki must have come in here, right?
No more lies.
Please verify.
Paimon remembers now! There were 3 symbols! The simplest looking one was first. The second symbol had a super complicated shape. And lastly, Paimon can't quite remember!
Orbital coordinate verification successful. Engine ignition in progress. Please board the lunar spacecraft immediately.
That looks like it's worth a pretty sum.
A chance.
You're right! And if this base blows up, we won't get another shot at going to the moon to rescue her! Paimon gets it, we'll just have to take a chance! What's this? Let Paimon take a look. Looks pretty.
This vessel is about to enter lunar orbit. Please select a landing site.
Oh, there's...
Connection established.
What's going on?
Quick to the escape pods! Don't worry, we'll be fine. Looks like I'll have to find another way.
A raging torrent that surges. I better wrap this up. can't hide the truth. That looks like it's worth a pretty sum. Relax. My bless.